Today I have a new sticker book by Cassthetic Plans, Tropical Abstract. I'm going to do a flip through and plan with me. Hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. And I have this new sticker book by Cassthetic Plans to share with you. It is so pretty. You could see the cover here, a little bit of a preview of what we're going to see in the sticker book. This is a big sticker book. This has got 1,014 pieces in here. And let's get into it. I'm loving the purples. So pretty. All right. So as you can tell by the title of it, Tropical Abstract, we are going to see some beautiful tropical collections in here. There are 3 collections in here, and there is a lot to this book. So we have a lot of elements. There is a mix of clear sticker paper as well as paper. These 2 are clear sticker, and love that butterfly. Really, really pretty. And then now we have some paper here. So as you could see, we've got like the big leaves here, the tropical leaves with some abstract elements. And this is a clear. So she definitely has a mix in here. I love these girl silhouettes. I think these are so pretty with the abstract elements. And then we have some mixed with butterflies. I just love these. And then this one is clear sticker. So we've got like 2 pages, but one's paper and then one is clear. Here are some tropical florals. And then of course we have all of our colorful boxes to coordinate in different sizes. There's 2 pages of those. And then here is another page. So what she does is she does this color block, but these are actually little dots. And it's just easier for her in the design. So I like that. And we've got 2 pages of that. And then we have her famous cluster pages where she has already put these clusters together to make it really easy to do a quick spread. So there's 2 pages of those. All right, now we're into the second collection. I love, love, love these silhouettes. So pretty of all the palm trees. We've got like sand here. We've got umbrellas and just sitting by the beach. And then we even have this really beautiful like seascape little silhouette down here. So this is on clear sticker paper as well as this page. Got some suns in there. And these are also clear. So I'm excited to put these together. And then look at the beautiful colors that go with it. Those sunset vibes of the orange and the purples in there. I love it. And we've got some cute little like sun elements and just like little speckles here. So we've got quite a few of these to choose from. And then there's like different patterns in there. And then here we have some more. This has got like a yellow gold tone in there with the orange mix. And then there's 2 pages of those. And then we have some more here, but these are a little bit shorter. And then this like little speckled, it looks like almost like little sand, but it's just like little speckles. Really, really cute. Love that. I love this full page sticker. If you're not familiar with this type of sticker page, it is a full page and it is like a tear page. You could do whatever you want with this. You could punch out different shapes with this. You can tear the paper, cut it up however you choose to use it, and you have that whole sheet to use. All right, here are the coordinating boxes. I love the colors that she chose here with this like multi. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I like that. We've got 2 pages of those, and then we have the bigger boxes and then longer ones here. And our dots. So pretty. And then here's, of course, the cluster pages. Love that. How pretty is that? And then this one she fit in this way. Really, really pretty. We've got 2 pages there. All right, and then we are on to our last collection. I love this. It's really, really pretty and soft with the green and that pretty soft pink in there. It's got some like lined art leaves in there and like kind of a neutral gold color. And again, there's the mix of the paper sticker and then the clear here. And then we have all these like individual elements, which are really nice because it's really fun to like piece those together and add them in accents, like next to boxes and things like that. And then we have all of these like fun abstract elements in here to also work with. And there's 2 pages and those are clear. And then we have these like geometric type of frames. They are paper, so you can write in the center there if you choose, or cut them up however you'd like to use them. And then we're on to our boxes. So these are, of course, the boxes that coordinate with that collection. Really love this color scheme. And then there's, of course, 2 pages here of these, and then the already made clusters for us. So pretty. I love this book. So there's 45 pages in this sticker book. So this one is a little bit more. I am an affiliate of Cassthetic Plans, so if you do decide to pick this up or anything, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. It is down below in the description. All right, now I had a hard time deciding what I wanted to do because these are all so pretty, but I think I decided to use this last collection right here. And I'm going to decorate some of my daily pages. So this collection starts right here. So let's grab my book, and I'm going to do both days here. I'm going to do Monday and Tuesday. Generally, the way that I like to decorate my dailies is I like to trim the tops of the pages. So I'm going to be using these florals to do that. I think that that would look really pretty trimmed across the top. So I grabbed this corner sticker, and that fits in that one corner really nicely. And then this one, I am cutting it to make it look like it's going from one page to the other. I am covering up the to-do headings and the asterisks on these pages because I do intend to label those for personal to-do lists and a work to-do list. But I will be using some small boxes to go ahead and put those headings in. So here I am just carrying this floral across the top here and finding the ones that kind of like fit together and just kind of look pretty across the top. Now there are 2 pages of this floral collection. However, one of them is paper sticker and the other one is clear. So I decided to use the paper sticker instead of the clear sticker. Honestly, I prefer the clear stickers because they do tend to layer a little bit nicer over one another, as opposed to the paper stickers have that white edging trim around the print. So I end up having to like trim a lot of that off as I am working with these. I like this one page because it does have like this individual flowers that I can kind of piece together and kind of like make it look even across the top there. Adding in a flower because I did notice that I had flowers on the other side, but I didn't have any on the side that Tuesday is on here. So I decided to grab the individual flower and bring that across. All right, now here I'm grabbing some of these boxes because as I said, I'm going to be adding in the heading for a personal to-do list and a work to-do list. And I like to split those up. So at the top, I generally use that for my personal to-do list. And then at the bottom, I'm grabbing these larger boxes because that is where I'm going to write in my work to-do list. And here I'm just kind of deciding like which way I want to turn this box, if I want it to be more horizontal or more vertical. So I decided to go with a more vertical look to it, and I figure I will trim it around the bottom with some florals. And I'm changing out this box because I realize that I've got the same color on each side there, and it just kind of like didn't match right. So I wanted to mix the colors up and bring in all three colors on each page here. All right, now I'm going to decorate the bottom here, and I want the florals to kind of like trim around the bottom of the box here, but I don't want to cover up so much of the box because I definitely want to make sure that I have enough room to use it in a functional way. I'm just trimming off the excess sticker here that kind of like laps over, and just kind of adding some pieces in here. However, I decide that I want to just change that up because I didn't like the way that it was looking. I like the more of the greenery in there. So I just moved that to the other side, and that kind of like blended a little bit nicer together. Just kind of finishing filling in this bottom portion here. The nice thing about all of these different flowers and bouquets and the leaves, you can really just cut them and just kind of make them work the way that you want to. So I really like the way that that's trimmed at the top, and then at the bottom it just kind of is a lot of decoration, but it's also leaving plenty of room for the pages to be functional. Now I am adding some floral decoration in across the middle section here because I just kind of want to like fill that up. Otherwise it's a little bit too white space going on there. So what I'm doing here is I'm kind of building this little bouquet around these boxes just to decorate it up. But then I realized that the way that the cluster that I created on the left side there would actually look a little bit better on the other side because that big box is pink and I didn't want all the pink together. So I like that pink flower in the corner. So this is where I decided to just like move everything over and swap it out. And then this pink flower just looks a little bit better on that side. I didn't want it to be so matchy from one side to the other. The nice thing about all of these different pieces is that you can really just kind of create your own and piece things together the way you think it's going to look nice. And what's nice is that because they are like these bouquets, you could just kind of like stick all of the little like bits and pieces that you do cut off, and you really do end up using all of them. So now here I am grabbing some of these clear stickers, and with the clear stickers I do cover up underneath because I don't like the lines shadowing through. And I'm adding some of like these gold pieces in here because I realized I didn't really have that in the center. So I'm just kind of finessing it and filling it out with these. It actually worked out pretty nicely. All right, now I just want to bring a little bit more deco around the dated areas here. So I'm just kind of using some of these little bits and pieces that I have, trimming off the excess white trim around the stickers, and then just filling that in a little bit, framing it a little bit better. And then of course I'm just going to kind of bring that other piece to the other side, and it works out perfectly. So here I am adding the final touches, adding in the personal to-do list and the work to-do list, and then I'm adding lines in using this stencil that I have here, and this is from the Happy Planner. I really like that stencil. It works perfectly. Now the flowers have like these little dots on there, like the bouquets, and I noticed that I really kind of wanted to fill in some of these spaces, so that's what I'm doing here with this black marker. I do like to use the hourly section, so I am writing in my lunch hour and my dinner hour in here. And then I'm going to highlight some of the time slots because I do have things that are going on during these times. So I'm just blocking it out using this Tombow highlighter. And then I decide to use a couple of these colorful dots because I really don't use them very often. So I thought, well, let me bring a couple of them in here because I have a couple of things going on at those times. So I figured I would use the dots there. All right, I really like the way that this turned out. It's really, really pretty. So this is the Tropical Abstract by Cassthetic Plans. Again, this is a bigger book. It's 45 pages, and this is available right now. I am an affiliate, so if you do decide to pick this up, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. You will find that down below. And remember, if you like this video, to hit the like button. That really does help me out here on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of using like a daily planner. This is really kind of my jam right now moving forward, and I really am enjoying this. It's a really good size for me. It's a 7x9. It's the Daily Duo from Erin Condren, and I'm loving it. Like, I am really, really loving this. So let me know if you use a daily layout, and if you do, like what planner you use, if you're loving it or not. So share the things in the comments below. I love to get your feedback on things and hear what you're using as well. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you watch this all the way through till the end, leave me a palm tree emoji in the comments section below. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.